What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I want to quickly check out this absolutely amazing game that came out pretty much a month ago. It is called Jusant, and basically it is a climbing game made in Unreal Engine 5 with an incredible stylized art style that I love. So I actually got to play the demo some months ago and I really enjoyed it. It has this unique climbing system where you control like each hand and basically just grab into it and go up and climb, or also go down. And you can also put this kind of security strings, I would say, and you just climb your way up, uncovering the story. It is beautiful. I really love how this game looks. Look at Lumen. Look at it, just reflecting with the global illumination all around the game. It looks absolutely amazing. I mean, it is real beautiful, and it has so many gameplay mechanics that are unique. It is so peaceful to just climb in this game and uncover its secrets. You can see it's very atmospheric. It's just very nice. Like I mentioned, I love the art style. It's very unique. As you can see, it doesn't really have textures. They're just color gradients, and the Lumen global illumination is what really spices things up in this game. As you can see, the geometry is even like, in a style of low poly, but smooth low poly, and it does make it unique. I love it. As you can see, there we go. It is already out, so you can check it out on Steam or on Xbox, and it is made in Unreal Engine 5. It looks amazing, mainly powered by Lumen. That's why all of the mountain is reflected with beautiful colors, and I strongly recommend checking this out. I'm very interested on how this game was made, so hopefully, soon, or if, whenever they have time, the developers will make kind of a behind the scene video, explaining how they made the game in Unreal. That would be awesome. But that's it guys. If you want to see more videos like this, just checking out games made in Unreal that looks absolutely amazing, go ahead and leave me a like. I would really appreciate that, and also subscribe to the channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and so check them out. Join my Discord server, check out my new course with Game.TV, how to learn Unreal Engine. And now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.